Today's read aloud is titled Bug Bites. And yes, it's about to get just as gross as you think it is.
Have you heard the one about the customer who finds a fly in his soup? Outraged, he points it out to the waiter, who says, "Keep your voice down, or everybody'll want one." Okay, so it's an old joke. But the funny part is what the waiter says. Who on earth would want to eat a bug? Well, would it surprise you if we said lots of people would? It's true. In Australia, South America, Africa, and Asia, eating bugs is no joke. Bugs aren't just pests. They're lunch or dinner or a nice after-school snack. To those of us who have never crunched a cricket or slurped a worm, the idea of eating bugs sounds pretty gross. We wouldn't eat those creepy crawlies even if someone dared us. Yet lots of bugs are nutritious, tasty, and perfectly safe to eat. Pests. Pests are insects or small animals that harm crops or annoy people. Eat up. We're outnumbered. Eating bugs is an old habit. 10,000 years ago, before they learned to farm, our ancestors found food by hunting and gathering. Bugs were considered part of the daily diet. It made sense for ancient people to eat a source of nutrition that was right under their noses, or buzzing by their ears. As you probably noticed, bugs are everywhere. 1 out of every 3 animals is a bug, and scientists estimate that there are 200 million of the little critters for every person on the planet. No wonder more than half the people on Earth still eat bugs daily. Of the million or so types of bugs that scientists have named so far, more than 1,500 are somebody's favorite snack. The most popular bugs to eat are crickets and termites, which are said to taste a bit like pineapple, but lots of other bugs are edible too. Restaurants in Mexico sell ant tacos. Cans of baby bees line supermarket shelves in Japan. In Thailand, outdoor markets offer silkworm larvae. And in Mozambique, in Eastern Africa, people call grasshoppers flying shrimp. Edible. If something is edible, it is safe for people to eat. In the United States, a candy company sells bug-filled lollipops. This clay pan is filled with dry grasshopper snacks. You can find these snacks all over Mexico.
On the next slide, you're going to give me 2 connections. They can be a text-to-text connection, text-to-world, or text-to-self.